Hi everyone, I am Mrs. B. Vijayalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to discuss about the insertion operation in linked list. The topic covered in this video are what is linked list, declaration of node, inserting node in the linked list with the three different position: insertion at beginning, insertion at ending, insertion at a particular position. What is linked list? A linked list is a linear data structure that can store an indefinite amount of items. These items are connected using pointers in a sequential order. In linked list, every element contains some data and a link to the next element. The elements of a linked list are called the nodes. A node has two fields, that is data and next. The data field contains the data being stored in that specific node. The next field contains the address of the next node. This is the example picture where the link between the nodes are established. The very first node is called head and the last node is called the tail. Declaration of node. As linked list consists of nodes, we need to declare a structure which defines a single node. Our structure should have at least one variable for data section and a pointer for the next node. In C++, our code would look like this. Struct node, within a curly braces we have to give int data struct node star next, ending with semicolon. This is the way to declare a node in the linked list. Let us take one example. First, we will create a list with 4 elements. For every node, we have to take the node and then insert it. For every node, we have to allocate the memory dynamically, which overcome the drawback of an array. In 3 insertion cases, first we have to allocate the memory for the node and then we have to read the values. This is the common statement for 3 cases. New is equal to struct node star malloc size of struct node. Now you can see how to insert the new node in the starting position. Insertion of a new node at the starting position is quite simple. It is just a two-step algorithm which is performed to insert a new node at the starting position of a linked list. Step 1. New node should be connected to the first node, which means the head. This can be achieved by putting the address of the head in the next field of new node. Step 2. The new node should be considered as a head. It can be achieved by declaring head is equal to new. The diagrammatic demonstration of this process is given and the implementation part for this process is cin value, new of data is equal to value, new of next equal to head, head is equal to new. Next we will see how to insert the new node at the ending position. The insertion of a new node at the end of the linked list has 2 steps. Step 1. Linking the newly created node with the tail node, which means passing the address of new node to the next pointer of a tail node. Step 2. The tail pointer should always point to the last node. So we will make our tail pointer equal to new node. The diagrammatic demonstration of this process is given and the implementation part for this process is cin data, new of data is equal to value, tail of next equal to new, new of next equal to null, tail is equal to new. Insertion of new node at a particular position. In this case, we don't disturb the head and tail nodes. Rather, a new node is inserted between two consecutive nodes. So these two nodes should be accessible by our code. We call one node as current and the other as previous, and the new node is placed in between them. Now the new node can be inserted between the previous and current node by just performing two steps. Step 1. Pass the address of new node in the next field of previous node. Step 2. Pass the address of current node in the next field of new node. The process is shown in the picture. Now we will access these nodes by asking the user at what position he wants to insert the new node. Now we will start a loop to reach those specific nodes. We initialized our current node by head and move through the linked list. At the end, we would find two consecutive nodes. The C++ code for the insertion of new node as cin data and position temp is equal to head, and the for loop will iterate up to position -1. Temp is equal to temp of next, new of data is equal to value, new of next is equal to temp of next, temp of next is equal to new. What is the time complexity for insertion operation in the linked list? The insertion of new node at the beginning position, it will take big O of 1. Insertion of new node at the ending position, it will take big O of n. And the insertion of new node at a particular position, it will take big O of n. Thank you for listening.